Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Lenovo Legion Go glasses and I'm going to show you how to clean them. At first we have to prepare ourselves a microfiber cloth. It's required to correctly clean our glasses and not to break them. You mustn't clean your glasses without your microfiber cloth. It's because you can break it. Now we can just clean it like normal glasses. As you can see, there is a lot of substance here, so we can just wipe it down. As you can see, we can remove it very easily. But what about our lenses? It's no problem because we can clean them with our microfiber cloth. We have to do it very carefully. And what about our USB Type-C cable, which is over here? So we can clean this cable using our microfiber cloth too. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.